from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau, and I'm here with Kristen from Sertoma Club because she has a really big announcement.
Well, we just want you to mark all of your calendars for September 8th. We're going to have the first ever Storybook Uncorked out here at Storybook Land. It's going to be a beer and wine event. You can taste at different stations and have different food, and it's just going to be so much fun.
Awesome. And tickets are on sale right now.
Yes. Storybooklanduncorked.square.site. You can buy your tickets online.
And who should come?
Everyone. Everyone should come. You do have to be 21 or older to come, but you know,
so everyone
everyone
21 and older should come.
Yes, yes. So
this is a fundraiser for the park. What are maybe some other projects? Because Sertoma Club, if you guys don't know, Sertoma Club has funded a lot of things in the park, including Sertoma Plaza right behind us. So tell us a little bit about kind of what you're hoping to do with this, maybe just this first one, if there's any special projects or just projects in general.
Yes, we do have a few special projects that the Storybook Land Committee has been really wanting to do, like bringing another thrill ride, or maybe another slide, or maybe redoing something that's already here. There's just a lot of great ideas, and Storybook Land does so much for our community that we really need to just keep bringing the park up and doing more things.
And that's one thing too, this is also to get people who maybe haven't been here since the roller coaster's been here, since some of these new things. We actually have a new playground opening later this week, like on Thursday. So,
and it's the first one in the state. We should include that.
First inclusive playground in the state. It's going to be awesome. There's a ribbon cutting Thursday afternoon. Projects like that just don't happen without the community support, and that's why we have events like Storybook Land Uncorked.
Yes, we're so excited to bring this event to Storybook Land. We're hoping it'll be an annual event, but this year will be the first one ever.
Awesome. All right, so again, mark your calendars, September 8th. Tickets you can buy right now, and we'll have more information about this event as it gets closer.
Yes.
And there are a bunch of events coming up this week, including an Aberdeen Community Theater production, Laundry and Burbon / Lonestar. It's 2 plays telling one story. It's going to be really neat. The show opens Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. and then performances are Wednesday through Saturday at 7:30, and there is a matinee at 2:30 p.m. on Sunday. You can purchase tickets at Riddle's Jewelry, at the ACT office downtown, or online. Tickets do go up if you decide to buy them day of, so you want to get your tickets early, and the show could be sold out, so definitely get those tickets ahead of time. For Laundry and Burbon / Lonestar opens tomorrow night at the Capitol Theater. Storybook Land Theater has 2 more performances of the Treehouse, Wednesday night and Friday night at 7 p.m. The YMCA Bull Run is this Saturday. That is Aberdeen's only half marathon. It is Aberdeen's longest race. There are 5K, 10K, and fun walk versions as well. If you are not a half marathoner, I am not. But you can sign up for that on the YMCA website. The Market on the Plaza Farmers Market is on Saturday from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. There are a ton of great vendors there from all over the area, and it's always a little different every week, so it's kind of fun to stop by every week. Bands, Brews, and Barbecues is Saturday, starting at 4 p.m. at Centennial Village. That's a really fun event. There's going to be a cornhole tournament. There's going to be some great area bands and all sorts of delicious food. There's no admission to get in, but everything you buy helps South Dakota Snow Queen. We have an all-new Scavenger Hunt here. We launched last week at Storybook Land. All new clues. So we launched one earlier in June, and now we have another one. All new clues coming out. The first clue, as always, is found in Mary's Garden, just to my left here, behind the visitor center. Kind of one of the first things you see, and that'll take you all throughout the park, and at the end you can register to win a prize. And if you have any events, make sure to submit them to AberdeenAreaEvents.com, or if you're just looking for things to do, that is your #1 place to find things to do here in Aberdeen. All right, everyone, as always, we're gonna have an amazing weekend. It sounds like it's gonna be gorgeous once again. There's all sorts of fun things to do. You can come up to Storybook Land. We actually have the new inclusive playground opening on Thursday, so we're super excited about that. You'll be able to come out and play on that. And what's really neat is that has adaptations for children who use wheelchairs or children of different abilities. So that is gonna be a ton of fun. The new sport court is so squishy, like it's worth it to come out here just to step on that. So let's go out there, let's have an amazing weekend, let's enjoy the weather here in Aberdeen.